Outdoor islands where the wild winds sway, casted and tracking all his days.
Okay guys, it's a new morning and we're gonna have some oatmeal and then we're gonna walk to our place and try to call the hens, go glass in and try to find one that we could shoot. So let's go get some breakfast and walk on up.
Sun's just rising, a quiet golden glow.
Okay, guys, we spotted up where we were going, and we just found a herd. We're gonna watch them and see if we want them or not. So stay tuned.
With a rifle and a rod, he roams so free. The woods and the waters are all he needs. Loose leaf prints on the dewy morning grass. The rustle of a buck makes my heart beat fast.
Okay, guys, so we've been sitting at this one tank for a bit, and we saw and heard some elk. We know where some elk are, like right over there. It's pretty far away. On the rangefinder we got in the 600s, so pretty far. But tonight we're gonna go up, get on that ridge right there, and try to find them, see if we can shoot them, and we'll go do that. Goodbye, elk. We'll be back for you.
Fire crackles under a blanket of stars. Tales of the hunt echo near and far. Every catch, every track's a story to tell. Where the call of the wild casts its time to spell. The lakes like glass as the evening sets in. With a spoonful of hope, I make another spin. Hunting and fishing, it's not just for me. It's a way of life, plain as the old tree.
Okay, guys. Hi. Little update. Just still walking back. It's camp. And we only saw 5 elk this morning, so we're gonna try to go after 2 that we saw. They were bedding down. And we know where they might just be bedding down. So tonight we're gonna head right there and try to get him. So probably gonna just have some lunch, maybe go on a drive on the quad, then go back out hunting. So let's go. Okay, guys, now we were just in the quad and stopping at this one tank. Look at all the feathers from the ducks that were right here. Also, we have some tracks of turkey there. Guys, here's some bear poop right there. There's like bear tracks all around this thing. And also there's big cow prints too. Guys, look, It's a wallow. Right here are probably its two legs, knees. This is probably right where he was laying down. We also have some milk tracks right here. And that's probably only like a couple days old. It's not too long ago. Okay guys, we're heading back out hunting now, and we're gonna go try to set up right on those rim rocks where we wanted to go this morning. So we're gonna go walk there and go sit there for a while, hope that one comes in. If one does, and it's a bull, and it's a big one, we're gonna shoot it. So let's keep walking. Okay guys, we made it up here. There you could see the pond that we were over, and we were right there. And the elk are gonna be like right over there. And they're sleeping right now, but in a bit, when they wake up, we'll try to find them and get them. Okay guys, we found another herd of elk that are about a mile away. Okay guys, so it's the next morning and we're gonna head in the ATV down to the canyon where we saw some elk yesterday, and then we'll walk up closer around where they were. So let's hop in the ATV.
He's coming out. We'll stop him. Squeeze. You're not loaded. Didn't get the shell. It's not going in. Shit. Push the button. It's not going in. Squeeze. 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 Do it again. Load again. Load again. Load again. Load again. Load again.
was a hit. So we're gonna go up a bit closer, see if it's dead or alive. So let's hope it's dead.
Oh, look at the pictures we got too. He's up on his hind. We got sun.
Wow.
Look at
That's
that.
so weird that he's the same
It's
one.
the same bull.
This is the same bull as the first day.
Yeah. This is a lot easier pack.
This is a lot easier to pack them.
Good job, man. Proud of you. You pulled it off. That was
First
cinch,
one.
yeah. Look at
Why
this.
we know is just because of this. Had a broken one. We were right there. Okay, guys. Now we're just gonna take some pictures and then take off his skin, take the meat, and that'd be good. Just skinned it and got all the meat off, and now we're gonna walk to the quad, then gonna drive to camp, unpack camp, then come over here, get the elk, put it in the ATV, and then we'll go back to the truck. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, go down, click subscribe, and also check out some other videos. And also, in the end, we got an elk, so good job to Megan, and thank you for doing some cool shots. And just go down, click subscribe, watch some more videos if you have time. So, see you later.